9 cabanas. See? Hi, hi. No bad, thank you. Sprite. Coca-Cola. Cabanas. What we've got to do.
Just go up, if you see any server, see anything that you like. I stopped at the meatloaf and the guy was like, what would you like? Oh, can you get some meatloaf? Many pieces? 2. What about some potatoes? Yeah, that'll do me. What about some mint? What about some rockalang? What about this? He's like, okay. What about some ketchup for your chips? Okay.
Right, I'm going up for mine soon.
Yeah.
Roast beef, meatloaf, bread, sugar snap peas, potatoes. Is it open then?
Yeah, this is got in it.
Oh. Oh, Pinocchio's Pizzeria. London's International Cruise Terminal. I'm just in awe of this. The show Lightning McQueen. Keith. '18 and older. Yeah.
Deck 6.
Here we are.
It's lovely.
Here we are. One toilet. This is coming home with me. One of the, maybe both of these. Don't mean that bit. I do. I don't mean that. No. Life jackets. They could do with the fishing. I could take one of them for when I'm out in the boat and the fishing. Perfect. Joking.
Lovely.
There's a Roslyn.
Hi.
Shower room. Bathroom. Wet room, shower room. Ooh. Detachable. They can come home too. Ooh. There's me. Ariel. Sorry. Shaver point. And this is the way decorating the room thing, I think.
I can't because
Oh, her case is still missing.
It's not here.
There's Walt. Ooh, glasses. They'll come home with us as well.
Wow.
The paintings come off the wall. No, the paintings are nailed down. Must have knew it was for me. Yes, the hello phone, everything Disney branded. Usual COVID-19 warning as you come into the room.
Wow.
Mirror. And here we have our stateroom veranda.
Is this like the Murphy bed?
I reckon Way's bed it is, but it's not got Murphy's name on it. It's a Mundle bed for this holiday.
Oh, they're going to come over it, Keith.
So far, this is our view.
Oh, it's covered.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. Well, this is brilliant.
I was going to chuck Rosalind overboard, but apparently I'm not allowed to.
We're quite high up though. Oh man, even though it's raining, it's grand.
It's raining. There's a bit of London so far.
Wow.
There's a little shitty ferry.
We've got 1 hour.
There's the shopping trolley everybody likes. Hold on, where's the shopping trolley van?
Oh, I see it.
There it is. And there's back to Rosen again.
Do you think they've been on a wee?
That's the Universal cruise. Because there's no many of them.
Mando family! Woohoo! Wow! So I was worried that my case wasn't going to arrive. And it has. Thank goodness.
Everybody's looking up, Grant. Before we do the thing.
Look! We've got a nice swan. And some Dove chocolate. Great.
Look at the boot side.
Oh, I'll just have a wee seat.
So we can either do tropical rain shower, tropical thunder, which is this one, but he runs away. Or cold fog. Or you can do the hot stones. That was my bed there, with the light on. Or if you're the mild steam room. I'll probably fog up when you go in here. Yeah, don't want to see anything in there. Great little waters. Or we can have the aromatic steam room. I prefer the big one, the other one. There we go. Go to Lumiere's. Join the queue. Didn't even notice the princesses. Sorry, face mask.
Like a Disney princess as well.
Hello from Lumiere. table 48. There's the risen. Scan the QR. This is lovely in here. We'll pan around. Up on my head.
In this cocktail. Strong.
Very fruity, but strong. You can mix it up a bit. I think I've just hit alcohol at the bottom. Oh,
Amazing.
this is like same serving team, two everyone makes.
Yeah. Table 48.
Things up in my kid pocket. Bread with. I'm going for the snails tonight. I'm going for escargot. First thing, all the years we've been to France, never tried them, but I do try. I could try these things. Or maybe even get Ros and Keith to taste.
No, thank you. And you were both having steak, fillet
Oh, you
steak.
eat the steak as well.
Well done.
Oh, medium.
And what am I getting to start? Oh, the brie.
Brie.
Brie, yeah.
Big brie.
I'm so excited.
Oh, that'll be a big brie there.
Cheers.
Ting ting.
Always smell it, always smell it. I think that went in there.
I'll take you in. It's a pâté de boeuf. This is the pâté de boeuf over again.
Well, then let's see, trying it.
Here we go. Alright. This is the first.
What is this guy on your white shirt?
Oh, very nice. Yeah.
Well done, Keithy.
Well, yeah.
Apple tartar. Nice. Tutti frutti. Where are you?
What?
You're there.
What?
The piano player. Oh. myself, well, Keith got me some Earl Grey. No, he didn't. He got us some English breakfast tea, and Keith got some hot chocolate and
Coffee.
Cafe. I've had a fantastic day so far. It's just been amazing. You probably can't hear us because it's very, very loud. So we'll probably tell you when we get back to the room. But we've had an awesome day so far.
There's been ups and then there's been downs. The ups. The ups. Since Embarkation.
Yeah, since we got on this boat.
Scary times.
To be fair, to be really, really fair. Yeah, since then it's just been phenomenal.
Since we've had that, you can go. We've been yay!
Yeah, mega excited, mega excited. Anyways, I'm going to taste this tea. Cheers. It's good. Right, see you back at the room.